Introducing the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Check out this handy Ford Bronco Sport, the modern-minded vehicle that's at home in town or off-road. Compact and capable, it has the features you need to make every adventure a success. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start, satellite radio, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, backup camera. Explore your world with confidence in this capable Bronco Sport. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.